Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic Unseen Comprehension-2. Students, I am repeating our today's topic is Unseen Comprehension-2, and this is lecture number 26 and homework number 15. I'm repeating, this is lecture number 26 and homework number 15. Students, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to practice Unseen Comprehension 2. So let's start. Look students, Unseen Comprehension 2. From this Unseen Comprehension, you have to answer from question 5 to 8. But today we'll practice question 5, 6 and 7. So for Unseen Comprehension, I am reading the comprehension. Time is the most valuable thing in a man's life. Life is nothing but a period of time. So to make the best use of time, time is to make the best use of life. Time is more valuable than wealth. With the help of food and medicine, we can regain lost health. Wealth can be regained by labor or trade, but we can never get back the lost time. Time once gone is gone forever. It passes on. It can never be called back with any sacrifice. Success of life depends on the right use of time. Those who waste time for nothing can never prosper in life. So everyone should be careful to do his duty in time. So from this comprehension, we come to know about time. Time is most valuable thing in a man's life. If we do not use our time properly, we have to suffer in the long run. Students, we can get our lost wealth, we can get our lost money if we do hard labor and through trade. If we fall sick, we can gain or regain our health by proper food and medicine. But think about time. If it goes on, if we pass time, we can't gain it. If we do whatever we do, we can't get time. That is why here we are saying it can never be called back with any sacrifice. You can do anything, anyway, but it is impossible to get back your time, and that's why you have to use the right use of your time. To be successful in life, you have to use the time properly. Now students, I hope you understood the comprehension, and we will practice true false. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Students, it will be in number 5, and first one is health can be regained by labor or trade. Is it true or false? Look, here we say with the help of food and medicine we can regain lost health. So it is false because wealth can be regained by labor or trade. So this statement is not correct. That's why we have to write if or false. So I am writing here false. False. This statement is false. Number B, proper use of time can bring prosperity in life. Is it true? Yes, this statement is true. So to make the best use of time is to make the best use of life. So success depends on proper use of time. So it is true. The statement is true. Number C, make the best use of wealth to make the best use of time. Is it true? Here the statement says if we use best of our wealth, we can be successful in life. No, we know to be successful in life, we have to use the best use of our time. That's why this is false. Number D, it is not possible to turn back in time. Is it true? Yes, look, time once gone is gone forever. So it passed on. We can't call it back. So this statement is true. True. Number E, wealth is more valuable than time. Come to this line. Time is more valuable than wealth. So you can understand this is a false statement. So we have to write false as answer. And number F, food and medicine can make our health better. Yes, this is correct because we know with the help of food and medicine we can regain lost health. So this is true. The statement is true. Number G, this passage is about health and wealth. Students, can you understand? This passage is about health and wealth. I hope you can understand because this passage is about time, not health and wealth. So the statement is false. Now come to number H. The word trade means business. The word trade means business. Yes, here we find the line, wealth can be gained by labor or trade. That means if you work hard and through business, that means trade means business. Through business, you can get wealth. So, the word trade means business. This is true. Students, now come to number 6. Fill in the blanks with the given words. There are extra words which you need not use. So, in the box, there are some words. You don't have to use all these words. You will just use the words which are necessary in these blanks. So look, these words are use, regain, depends, dates, wealth, on, prosper, waste. Number A, time is more valuable than dash. So do you know time is more valuable than? In this line, time is more valuable than wealth. So we have to write here wealth. Time is more valuable than wealth. Number B, it always passes on and dash. Can you understand? Passes on and on. Here we find the word on. So we have to write on and on. Number C, lost time can never be. Lost time never be. Can you understand? Look. Never be gained or regained. Here we say wealth can be regained by labor or trade, but we can never get back the lost time. So we have to write regained. Regained. Lost time can never be regained. Number D, man's success dash on the right use of time. Man's success depends on. Look here on, we know depends on. So we have to write the verb depends. Here you can find the word success of life depends on the right use of time. Depends on. So in the gap we have to write depends. Depends on. And number E, we should make the best dash of time. Best use of time. Right use of time or best use of time. So here we have to use this word use. So students, these are fill in the blanks. I hope you can understand. Now we will practice question answer and it will be in your question number 7. So let's practice. Our first question is, what does success of life depend on? We all know the answer. Success of life depends on the right use of time. Question number B, what happens if you waste your time? Answer is, if one wastes his time, he cannot prosper in life. Students, look in this. The question says you. The question says you. So while answering this question, you can write the subject as you. You indicates one or anyone. So you have to use one. Here we can use his or her. It will be best if you use his. If one wastes his time, he cannot prosper in life. Number C, what is the relation between life and time? And the answer will be, there is a deep relation between life and time. Life is nothing but a period of time. Question number D, why is time more valuable than wealth? Time is more valuable than wealth because with the help of labor or trade, we can regain lost wealth but cannot regain our time by any means. Students, here you can write, but cannot regain our time by doing anything or by any means. Both will be correct. Number E, why should we use time properly? And for this question, we can write the answer like this: we should use time properly to prosper in life. Students, that's all for today. Now it's time to provide you homework, and today's homework is for your vacation. I'm repeating, today's homework is for your vacation, and your vacation homework will be true, false and fill in the blanks. I'm repeating, your vacation homework will be true, false and fill in the blanks, and the submission date of your homework is 29th May 2021. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.